Hey everyone, this is Gabe from Copywriter Today, and I'm excited to share with you one of our first videos on the channel here. And what I'm going to go over right now is just talk to you guys about how to come up with great post ideas. I know that when we're doing content marketing, we're trying to get your name out there. When you're trying to attract those high value clients, it's always a question that comes up is what should I be focusing on? So what I have up on my screen here is an email that I just got about questions about our service. And I wanted to use this today because I think that it is one of the best ways that you can generate new content. And that is by just answering the questions that your clients already have about your service, about what you do. So I'm going to show you, how I go through this process of creating new content just simply from the questions that I get here. So you can see that my friend April here, who's been looking at signing up for a service, sent me these questions. She says, can revisions be performed? What's revision control? Can word counts be adjusted? Are there pricing for specialty orders? Can an order be expedited? Your writers giving ratings, and do your writers understand SEO? And that type of questions, it's really great that she listed all these out for me, and I definitely recommend that you get in touch with April at touchingclients.com. She's fantastic to work with, and but you're going to be getting these types of questions from your prospective clients and from your customers, and these are the types of posts and answers and things that you can be writing about. So what I do is when I get something like that, I just create a new document inside of Google Docs, and I like to focus on usually just one of those questions at a time. So what I'm going to do here is start up this doc and show you, how I'll answer that question. And I'm not going to bore you through the writing process, so just give me a second here, and I'm going to write my answer and show you exactly what that looks like. Alright, so you guys can see here, I just wrote the answer to the question, and I get this question frequently, and so the best thing that you can do when you get a revision or a question coming in over and over is just to answer it. So I just went ahead and wrote this nice, concise, simple answer. Can revisions be performed on Copywriter Today articles? And the answer is yes. Any order that you place with Copywriter Today can be revised in whatever way that you need. All you need to do is comment on your order, reply back to the email you get, and note the revisions that you need made. We always recommend to our clients that they provide as specific as possible feedback when asking for revisions. Once we get your revision request, we will work on the revisions immediately and return the revised article within 24 business hours. There are no limit to revisions, so please don't ever feel bad about asking for more. And two things that I just did here that I want to just point out to you guys. One, I just read that out loud to myself, obviously to you guys too. But one of the best techniques that you can use in self-editing your work before you publish it or before you hand it to an editor is to read it out loud. Now, I didn't catch any big errors right here, but if I would have two of the word the, or I would have something in error, it's really easy to catch that when you read it out loud. The second thing is this is highly valuable content to my prospective clients. So I want you to think about today what your prospective clients ask you all the time. How can you answer that question and provide that highly valuable answer simply by just writing a response to that frequently asked question? So this is one of my biggest tips for content marketing is answer the questions that you get all the time. So if we look back here again at what April sent me over, I'm going to answer each of these questions and create blog posts out of it. I'm going to create more videos about it. This is my fuel for content marketing, is just answering these questions that I get frequently. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. If you have any questions about how to improve your content marketing, how to improve your writing, just comment below the video and I will answer you guys. And of course, always go ahead and check out copywritertoday.net. And if you're interested in signing up, use the discount code YouTube, and we will make sure that we get you in for your totally free week of the trial period so you can try it out, and I'll make sure that you guys have the link in this video down below. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Gabe Arnold from Copywriter Today, and I'll see you guys soon.